Ryan Suter, Nashville single diamond, and Mark Streit single diamond for the New York Islanders. So we got Andrei Markov, Montreal single diamond, Daniel Alfredsson, Ottawa single diamond. We have an Andy McDonald single diamond, St. Louis, and we have a quad jersey. So a quad jersey featuring Dale Hawerchuk, Winnipeg Jets. This is, though, a vintage Winnipeg Jets, so it will be going to the Phoenix Coyotes. So because it's a vintage Winnipeg Jet, Dale Hawerchuk, it is going to the Phoenix Coyotes. And we got a Louis Eriksson single diamond and Dave Backes single diamond. Calgary Flames, Alex Tanguay, single diamond. Pascal Dupuis, single diamond for Pittsburgh. Another triple diamond rookie gems. This one going to the Pittsburgh Penguins, and this is Nick Johnson. So Nick Johnson, Pittsburgh Penguins, triple diamond. Filler. Jason Pominville, Buffalo, single diamond. And Thomas Plekanec, Montreal single diamond. So this is Nathan Horton, and it indicates the Boston Bruins on the side there. So it's going to the Boston Bruins. Nikolai Kulemin, Toronto, single diamond. Double diamond for the Boston Bruins. So the Boston Bruins, double diamond, Zdeno Chara. Get another filler. Kyle Okposo, single diamond. And Patrick Hornqvist, Nashville, single diamond. So another Andrei Markov, single diamond. Alfredsson, Ottawa, single diamond. Double diamond for Ilya Bryzgalov, Phoenix. Filler. Another Victor Hedman, single diamond. And Louis Eriksson, Dallas, single diamond. So it's a lengthy box to open, but I want to make sure everyone knows the cards they will be receiving. Alex Semin, Washington, single diamond. Jonathan Quick, LA, single diamond. We got Rich Peverley, single diamond for the Atlanta Thrashers. And we have another quad jersey. This one, Justin Williams for the LA Kings. So Justin Williams, LA Kings quad jersey. Single diamond, Pekka Rinne, Nashville. And single diamond, Milan Lucic, Boston. Brad Boys, St. Louis, single. Dustin Penner, Edmonton, single. Filler. Ales Hemsky, Edmonton, single. James Van Riemsdyk, single, Philadelphia. And Antoine Vermette, single, Columbus. Andy McDonald, single, St. Louis. Alex Tanguay, single for Calgary. Here we go, folks. This is why we open box breaks, so everyone can get excited with this one. Quad rookie gems, Taylor Hall. So quad rookie gems, Taylor Hall, Edmonton Oilers. So congratulations to the bidder for the Edmonton Oilers. This is a great card to get. A quad rookie gems for Taylor Hall. Congratulations. Filler. We have David Backus, single diamond. Jason Pominville, single diamond. Great to hit a nice rookie gem quad for Taylor Hall. Single diamond, Semyon Varlamov. Single diamond for Brent Seabrook. We have a double diamond for the Ottawa Senators, Jason Spezza. Filler. Single diamond, Alex Kovalev, Ottawa Senators. And single diamond, Craig Anderson, Colorado Avalanche. Pascal Dupuis, Pittsburgh, single. Andrew Brunette, single, Minnesota. Triple diamond for Phil Esposito, Boston Bruins. Filler. Tomas Plekanec, single, Montreal. Devin Setoguchi, single, San Jose. Mike Smith, Tampa Bay, single. TJ Oshie, single, St. Louis. Triple diamond, Mark Messier, New York Rangers. Filler. Single diamond, Ryan Kessler, Vancouver. And single diamond, Sam Gagner, Edmonton. So we got 2 more packs. Jamie Langenbrunner, single diamond. Scott Hartnell, Philadelphia, single diamond. We have a Ruby Rookie Gems, triple diamond. So another nice card. Rookie Gems, triple diamond. This one is Ruby. This is Nick Palmieri. And this card is numbered 74 out of 100. So very nice Ruby triple diamond. Filler. Single diamond, Carolina's Tim Gleason. And single diamond, Brendan Morrow, Dallas Stars. So last pack before we open the bonus pack. Single diamond, Atlanta's Brian Elliott. Single diamond, Calgary, Jay Bouwmeester. Single diamond, Brian Gionta, Montreal. Filler. Single diamond, JP Dumont in Nashville. And Valtteri Filppula, single diamond for the Detroit Red Wings. So a very nice pack. We did get the Taylor Hall, which we all went for. Bonus pack. Let's see what we get. Andy McDonald, St. Louis. Thomas Plekanec, Montreal. Patrick Kane, Chicago. We have Drew Doughty, LA. And our premieres, not one we really wanted, but out of 1999, number 900, Jake Muzzin, ice premieres for the LA Kings. So once again, congratulations. This was an excellent Black Diamond box for us to have been able to hit the quad Taylor Hall, as well as the quad Mario Lemieux. So 2 great cards. So congratulations to everyone for bidding. Make sure to check out the recap video, because I will have a special little gift for you guys. So once again, congratulations to everyone, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.